Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel MA Crypto. Dear fans, today I have bring another amazing project that is called Imagine Network. So in this video, I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you grab this opportunity and how can you use this amazing platform, as well as I will discuss about its native token that is listed on the Maxi Global Exchange. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request, if you are new on my YouTube channel ME Crypto, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So welcome to Imagine Network. Here is our official white paper, and you can also learn more information about this project, that Imagine AI, world first decentralized social network powered by AI and defense. It have their native token that is called image, and you can also find out in USDT pair on the Maxi Global Exchange, and find out link in my video description. Here you can also buy and sell Imagine token, and you can also easily trade. This project have a massive potential inside, and in future it can really help you make a lot of passive income as well. Now you can also grab this opportunity on the Maxi Global Exchange, and you can also buy Imagine image token with USDT pair as well. Here you can also easily create and generate your AI images and many more things. You simply create your account here, and defense you can also use your email or your wallet, and easily you can also create your account on this platform as well. Here you also need to confirm your email, and if you have already created account, and if you have not created your account, then you need to click your login in with wallet, and you can also choose any wallet, and then you need to select your network like Ethereum or BNB. Then you will be able to switch your account here, and then easily you can also create your account, and then you can also put all information. You can also check out some recently hot and most votes and most comments and most views pictures and images that is created by AI. Here you can also all check out, and you also check out and read out its white paper to get more information related to this amazing project as well. Here you can also check out that Imagine AI introduce a groundbreaking social network platform, Imagine AI, which seamlessly integrate the power of artificial intelligence and Web3 technology. And this platform revolutionized shared image galleries by leveraging advanced AI, especially daily and stable diffusion, to provide user with a dynamic and customizable approach to image generation. Image AI offer a user-friendly interface for creating, managing, and organizing a stunning AI generating image, setting a new standard for visual content creation in the Web3 era. You can also check out its introduction and learn more about this Web3 project, and you can also check out all information and learn its technology stack detail, like that AI image generations and many more information. You can also learn about its feature like AI image generation, DALL-E, and stable diffusion integration, user friendly interface. And you can also check out its roadmap, that how the things are going on, like that in phase one they will doing a development milestone, community engagement, and ecosystem expansion, and many more. And defense, you can also check out the image distribution tokens, like that. They have distributed a token symbol name is image, and it is based on the network of BNB chain, Solana, and Ethereum. You can also check out their contract address here, and you can also check the project category and many more detail. Here we can also check out its distribution, and you can also learn our information, like that. Here is a total supply and defense. 5% is up for initial token sale, and defense 15% is up for team and advisory, as well as 45% is up for community rewards and partnership, and defense 35% reserve fund as well. You can also check out the token vesting detail and many more information and token utility as well. So I also recommended to all of you must be join its telegram community to get latest news and updates, and I also recommended to all of you must be follow them on their X account to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project. And here you can also learn more about that Imagine Network decentralized AI for Web3. Imagine Network is a decentralized AI platform that merges blockchain technology with artificial intelligence, allowing users to generate and manage AI powered content in a trustless, transparent, and censorship resistance environment as well. You can also check out more information, and I also recommended to all of you must be join its Discord server to get latest news and updates, and must be buy it from Maxi Global Exchange. And you can also check out other information, and on the left side you can also find out all menu where you can also find hot submit news, videos and images, as well as tag top user and pricing detail. And you can also create your account right here, and you can also create your wallet and check out all information. So this is the best project where you can also generate AI shorts, AI image, and you can also earn a lot of profit. And you can also check out the options, delay, stability, text to video, and many more features right here. I also like this video and share your friends in next video. Thanks for watching.